back to my channel. If you're brand new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, give this movie a thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I do upload a video. So today what I'm going to be doing is my Boxycharm unboxing. I received this quite late, so that's why this video is going up quite late in the month. Normally I receive it on the 15th, but I did not receive this until I believe it was the 20th or so, that's why it's going up so late. But I figured late's better than never, so I would go ahead and go into this box, show you what I got and the value of this box. Boxycharm is a subscription every single month. They have 3 levels of different boxes. They have the base box, they have a premium box. This is the Boxy Luxe. So the Boxy Luxe comes every other couple months, and it is $55, but it is the base box with additional products in it. So I'll go ahead and open this up and show you what I got. This box does come with a card every single month with all the details and prices of every product, so I'm going ahead and read off of this card when I pull up the product so you know more about that product. The first product is a Kylie Skin Face Wash. This retails for $24. It's a luxurious foaming face wash infused with ultra nourishing kiwi sea oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion, and it retails for $24. I have not tried anything from Kylie Skin. I didn't really care to, but I did need a new face wash, so I will try it out. I have heard some mixed reviews about this product. I've heard some people that it breaks them out, so I will come back and let you know what I think about this cleanser and if I think it's worth the money. The makeup I am wearing today, you will see a video coming very shortly with it. On my lips, I do have this is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon in Lead the Way. I absolutely love these. I think they're beautiful and I really enjoy the formula. So the next product is this Malin and Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. Our fast absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this retails for $82, which is incredible. So it just comes with a little squeeze dropper. It does smell of lavender pretty intensely, so if you don't like lavender, you might not like this, but I'm excited to try this out. So I have had this box for a few days, so I did get to try out this next product. This is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. First off, I love that it has SPF 30. It did come with a little card with some information. This says a multitasking beauty balm. This is a foundation, antioxidant, moisturizer, and SPF 30 all-in-one, featuring our exclusive Asian herb extract complex, goji and hawthorn berry brightens skin, while jasmine improves skin texture and retaining moisture to create a gorgeous and glowing complexion. That all sounds incredible. I used this once. It is gorgeous. It has such an intense glow, which I love because I would rather have too much glow and powder down a little bit. This is beautiful. It didn't last forever on my skin, but it is a BB cream. It did have decent coverage. I would say probably buildable medium coverage, so I did really enjoy that. And I love that it has SPF, so that is gorgeous. On the front it says oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish, and I totally agree with that. It is super glowy, but it does have some type of more matte-ish appearance in a way, if that makes any sense. I will definitely try this in a video, but it is a gorgeous product. I'm super excited that I received this. I did get it in a medium, and I would not consider myself a medium skin tone, but Boxycharm did it right. This is probably the first complexion product that they've done right with my preferences, so that's awesome. And that is $35 for that BB cream. So the next product is this M.GREEN CBD head to toe cream. So it has a CBD oil in it. This is a CBD head to toe cream. This unique formula uses THC-free CBD for fast absorption, also packed with high performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Great as daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe for all skin type. And this is a $56 value. So this box in itself only retails for $55, so this one product right here is $1 more than this entire box. So I think it is really incredible. Recently in the last 3 or 4 months, kind of disappointed in Boxycharm, but this box so far is awesome. This was my choice product for June. This is the Smile Science R Strengthen Teeth Whitening Pens. There's 2 little pens in here, and what you do is you just wipe it onto your teeth and then you let it sit for 30 minutes. I will, because I have a tray and a light, I will probably just apply this and apply the tray and let it sit there, and I think the lights would probably help it. And this is a $80 value. So that's really great. I have been super into teeth whitening recently, so I'm excited to try a new one. The next product that came in my box is a Bodyography. It's a 2-pack lip pencil. So it comes with a rosebud, which is like a purpley type color, and then it comes with pouty, which is more of a pinky nude. So there are the 2 lip liners. I did try these yesterday. They are quite drying. I did not like the formula a whole lot. They do retail for $28 for the 2-pack, but I definitely prefer my ColourPop lip liners to these ones. So far the box, this is probably my biggest letdown. I'm not a huge fan of these lip liners. This was a choice also. You get 2 choices for the Boxy Luxe. So this is the Lilly Lash Triple X Mascara. So this retails for $24. It looks like this, a super sleek little component with some gold lettering. I really like this. I am wearing it today. I absolutely love this mascara. I'm actually shocked. I'm a little picky with mascara, but it gives you such beautiful length. And what I do is I curl my lashes, apply it, let it dry, curl my lashes again, and they just give you the most length. This mascara makes your eyelashes look so long. It's just beautiful. They give you really great definition. It doesn't do much for volume, but I'm actually getting into super separated, just long, kind of wispy lashes, and this gives it to you. There's no flaking, there's no smudging. It is a gorgeous mascara. I'm actually really excited I got it. So the last product in this box is the Tarteist Pro palette. This retails for $49. This palette is so beautiful. I love it. It is all matte with 4 shimmers on the side. I love this palette. I got the Pro Remix palette in a previous box, which is all shimmers except for 2 mattes. So I love these 2 palettes together. There's an unlimited amount of looks you can do. All the eyeshadows are very beautiful. I'm wearing them today. I love how they blend. I have tried Tarte palettes before, but I've only tried the small, they're like the Rainforest of the Sea volumes, the circle ones, and I never liked them. They weren't very pigmented, nor did they blend very well. But these bigger palettes from Tarte are really, really nice. They blend really well. The metallics are beautiful, and I really enjoy the formula. So I'm super excited that I received this. And I also love that it is all cool tone or neutrals, which I've been super into. I haven't been doing a ton of warm eyeshadow looks. Of course, I'm wearing something a little bit more warmer today, but normally I've been doing neutral or cool tone. So I'm really excited about this palette. So that is it. So the retail value of this box that costs $55, retail value is $378. That is incredible. I would say the only thing I'm disappointed about are the lip liners. They're not going to work out for me. I'm not a huge fan. They're very drying, but everything else I'm very excited to try out. I love the palette. I'm super excited about the teeth whitening. This mascara is shockingly amazing. The BB cream is really nice. So I'm just excited about pretty much everything that came in this box. It was definitely worth it for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.